Hey, my YouTube family and friends. This is me, Antoinette, and I got a package in the mail. I'm so happy. And so I wanted to open it with you because it says fragile, perishable, avoid heat, do not chill. So, and it's got like a flower thing on it. I already know what it is. I don't know. I mean, I know what it is. Okay, so here's the story. So my sister-in-law, she sent me a picture of her blooming African violet. And I love African violets. And I don't know why I don't have any. So, I guess she kind of wondered, if you love them so much, why don't you have any? So she sent me a text and she said, you'll be receiving a package in a couple days. And so, and I don't know, soon after the call or the text message, I forgot about it. So I went outside. I was about to leave and I saw the box and I remembered. So I wanted to open it and show you all what I got. So, but I want to share with you the Flower Person company. It's Ralph Robinson, the Violet Barn in Naples, New York. I'll put the information at the bottom so you all can see it. Where is it? There he is. But I'm excited to open the box. And I have been very gentle with it. And I even pulled my tripod out for this. You know, usually y'all know I do my videos holding the camera. But this is special, man. Okay. So I'm so used to seeing Miscellaneous Michelle opening boxes. And every time I see her, look at her video, she opening up a box. So, she has really good plants and stuff. Miscellaneous Michelle does. Oh, Lord, can I get this box open? I don't want to damage anything inside. And maybe I should have got a box cutter instead of a pair of scissors. Let me try and open this box this way. Here we go. All right, y'all. So, it says join us in Cincinnati. Join us in Cincinnati in 2019. What y'all gonna have? A flower show or something? Okay. Let's see what else I got. Are these care instructions? What to do when you receive your order? Generally, this is what we do. Blah, 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 blah. And that's where we get in trouble because we don't read the instructions. So I definitely will keep and read my growing suggestions and instructions because I don't want to lose whatever I have in here. Is this insulation? Is this house insulation, y'all? Is this asbestos? I doubt that very seriously. Okay. Oh, I got two of them? My sister-in-law, Dorothy. Man. Wait a minute. I'm trying to keep all of the packaging together. But I got... I see a flower on this one. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so excited. I could move it a little bit over. Okay. I don't want to damage it any, so I'm being gentle. Oh, they did this pretty good. I like how they packaged it. Good job, guys. This gives me some ideas for packaging when okay, look at here. Man, I hope this light is, it's in the evening, so my light isn't that great today. But, you know what? Let me go try and turn on another light and see if I can. I don't know, maybe not, but I'm gonna show you anyway. All right, let's see. So this is a pink one, I think. Oh, I'm so happy I got an African violet. Thank you, Dorothy. Thank you. All right, but I have another one. This one is pink. So, all right, let me put this one down and open the other one. All right, this is like Christmas. Ooh. Check it and see if I got any more. All right. What kind of paper is this? Japanese writing? Chinese writing? Oh, is this a lavender one? Purple is my favorite color, y'all. Okay. Take this off. Let's see, this one appears to be a lavender one. Oh, happy I am. I am so happy. And it came with flowers. Okay, wait, so. Thank you, Dorothy. So, guys, I'm happy. I'm happy. So, I'm going to read the suggestions and I'm going to keep you updated on the African violet that I received from my sister-in-law and my brother. And oh man, I'm excited. Thank you. I hope you all can see this really good because my lighting in here is terrible today. But look at it. Okay, I guess you all said enough is enough. But I'm excited. So this is my African violet. I will keep you all updated on how it's growing. On how it's growing, because I'm not going to say I'm going to do anything else to it because it's going to grow and bloom profusely. God bless everybody. Remember to subscribe to my channel and remember to give someone a hug and a kiss. And appreciate the small things, guys. See? Appreciate the small things. Thank you. God bless you all. Bye-bye.